Muthamaki wa Ngeretha King Charles wa gatatu akidirirwo ta muthamaki wa Ngeretha mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka uyu. Icera ria keri ria ribangitwo bururi-ini wa Kenya aririo ria mbere nja wa mabururi ma ruraya na riri aririo icera ria keri kana bururi-ini wa Kenya. Kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio ni ministry ya maundu ma NANJA hamwe na baruthi wa Ngeretha guku bururi-ini, King Charles na mutumia wake Queen CAMILA magakorwo icera-ini guku bururi-ini kuma tariki 31 mweri uyu nginya tariki 3 mweri ukite. Umwe wa maria matanyitwo ari King Charles gukorwo na gikaro na President Ruto nake Queen CAMILA acemanie na mutumia wa President Rachel Ruto.
Neil and myself are honored to bring to the attention of the country and the international community the forthcoming visit of His Majesty King Charles III and Her Majesty Queen CAMILA to the Republic of Kenya. This will be His Majesty's first visit to a Commonwealth country since their inauguration.
Highlights of the programme will include a ceremonial welcome at State House and bilateral meetings between the King and the President and the Queen and the First Lady, as well as the President kindly hosting a state banquet for the royal couple at State House.
Aya eri ni matanyitwo gwikuruhania mihang'o-ini ya kiwira kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na MOMBATHA. Mihang'o ino ikirongoreria kumatia ngwataniro ya mabururi maya meri hoka ni maundu marahutia ukuria, ucenjia wa riera, uthondeki wa miake ya mawira gatagati ka mangĩ.
Their Majesty's programme will reflect the modern, forward-looking partnership between the United Kingdom and Kenya, which centres on boosting mutual prosperity, tackling climate change, promoting youth opportunity, sustainable development, and working together for a more secure and stable region.
Ario mieri 5 tu kuma riria akidirirwo, King Charles ni aratanya kuerera haria nyina Queen Elizabeth atigirire na kumatia ngwataniro yake na mabururi maria mari rungu rwa Ngeretha. Ndereti ikonie morito maria a Kenya magereire rungu rwa nyakero ari undu aratanya kung'ethanira naguo.
The visit will also acknowledge the painful aspects of the UK and Kenya's shared history, including the emergency between 1952 and 1960. His Majesty will take time during the visit to deepen his understanding of the wrongs suffered in this period by the people of Kenya.
Hamwe noguo, King Charles ni agakorwo agithie igongona-ini ria gukungũira mutigaire Professor Wangari Maathai nake Queen CAMILA atongane na aria magereire menyamariko ya gutungio bara ya micii.
Queen will meet survivors of sexual and gender-based violence, learning how they are supported and sharing her own insights from working in this area.
Girifotera Kamembe TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.